Hi guys, I'm building a Telecaster from a guitar kit. If you'd like to know more about this kit, check out my earlier video or the description below. On this video, I'm going to cover shaping the headstock and sanding the neck and body. Note there are several approaches to doing this. My approach is just one of them. You'll need a headstock template if you want to be precise. I decided to draw it freehand. You'll need a pencil and eraser to draw the headstock. You can also use the eraser like a small sanding block, as you shall see. You'll need some sandpaper or even better, a sanding block. This one is a 220 grit, and finally some steel wool which I used on the fretboard. You will need it later on to lightly sand between the finishing coats. So let's get started with shaping the headstock. The guitar is perfectly sanded now and ready for the next step, with true oil finishing. If you like this video, please support the channel by subscribing, and see you on the next video.